Hello everybody, my name is Adrian. So I got the Maserati Gran Turismo. So today I'm gonna check out the air filter, see how it looks, because the car hasn't had it changed in 4 years. So it's been about 6,000 miles. The car stays indoors, so maybe it'll still be pretty good. So I went ahead and got all the screws off of the covers, so keeps torque spits all the way around, and then those in there. But I left the covers on just so you guys can see. And then after all the screws are off, and then the cover just lifts up. So the only thing here is that we got this clamp, so worst case I might have to cut it, and then next time when I'm by the Maserati dealership I might need to pick up the clamp and the tool. But I'm going to try to slide it out without having to cut it. If I do cut it, in the meantime I'll probably put a zip tie, one that's, I got some that are wide like that, and so that'll keep things good. Or I might pick up a screw clamp, but I'm going to try to use this small screwdriver and see if I can slide it out like without having to cut it. So we got this other clip that's a little bit hidden. So that's it. It's the third one. Alrighty. So that lifts up. Okay, let's see how the filter looks. Looks pretty good. Yep, that looks pretty clean. I'll probably just blow it off with an air blower. Got the filter dusted off, so now let's set it back in there. Here's what I found out about the clamp. So when I took it off, turns out I don't even have to cut it because it just latches on like that. So at first I thought that I would have to. So now to clip this back on, we got those 3 clips, and they slide down, and then I'll push this forward, and it shouldn't be a problem. Alrighty, so with that clamp out of the way, it just slid right in. And now to get my clips put back on. And this one flips back. See, this one's flipped forward. Same thing with that one, but this one's the other way around. So now to get the sensor hooked up, and let's see if I can set this right here. And let's get the clamp put back. Alrighty, so that was it. That was actually pretty easy. There's a lot of vehicles that I've worked on that are definitely complicated, hard to get to, especially like some minivans that have the engine all crowded sideways. But this is pretty easy setup. I know you got to remove the cover, but other than that, it's not really hard at all. I gotta admit, at first when I bought this car, I was intimidated to even touch it. I didn't want to do the oil change, so the first time I paid to have the dealership do it. But this second go around, I went ahead and did it myself. I got a video in the description. So that was pretty easy, and there's a lot of stuff that I can see that are easy to get to. Like if I need to do the tune-up, it's right there. So, and that's good, you know, because I want to keep this car for a long time, and car's out of warranty, so whatever I can do myself, I'll go ahead and do it. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.